Okay, so here you can see where I'm at. I've taken the pickup rings off of the pickups and they fit nicely in there. So when I'm skinning, you can see that I'll be able to drop the skin on. But I am concerned about this pickup. I don't know how it's positioned inside. So I don't exactly know how I'm gonna tackle this. So here we are, live. Let's figure out what we're gonna do here. And I might not be able to put that one, push it into the body. We'll see. As you can see, this pickup actually sits very, very high and it can't be pushed into the body cavity. I am gonna have to snip it here, and once I snip it, I will have to just, literally splice a little bit and then solder the back together. So literally what I would do is I would solder the black to the black and the white to the white. I don't have to go to the pots. I don't have to do that. I can do it right here, and then I would just cover that with electrical tape and it'll be fine. Okay. So I have plenty there. I can splice that still, and I can solder that, so that'll be fine. All right, so. Same thing with this. I don't have to take the pots out. I'm just literally going to push them in. So all the parts can go there. Okay. Okay. So, I might have to pop the plate off. There might be a little bit of, there might not be enough room, so I might have to push that down. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put a bit of tape here, just to prevent these pickups from falling out. Just do that. Okay, so. So yeah, we just needed a bit more room to push those out. And, all right. Okay, there we go. That should be fine. Once the skin goes on, that'll be fine. All right, so here's where it's gonna get fun. Come on back for the next step.